The table above shows the height of the ball with regard to time, and it bounces up and down. What type of model should be used to calculate the height of a ball as it is a function of time? Basically, if you're expecting, if you drop a ball and it bounces, and in this case, it bounces a little bit more, and then peaks out a little bit less, a little bit less, a little bit less. It's definitely not linear. Okay, since it goes up and then down, it's definitely not exponential, because exponential only looks like this, where it just goes up. It's definitely not logarithmic, because logarithmic goes like that, which means, it bounces up. It still increases, but slows down its increase, whereas exponential increases, and increases at a faster rate. This guy bounces up and down. So without doing any real math, I know it's quadratic because it goes up and then down.